Hi Skin Games, Tyler Card here, checking in for week 7 of my acne case study. So today I want to give my professional assessment of how Jodi's skin has progressed up to this point. Looking at her skin now compared to the beginning of this case study, the most significant shift is not just a reduction in breakouts, but a clear reduction in inflammatory activity. Early on, her acne presented as inflamed pustules and papules concentrated along the cheeks and jawline with significant erythema. At this stage, we're seeing far fewer active inflammatory lesions, and when new breakouts do appear, they're smaller, less inflamed, and resolve more quickly. Another important change is how her skin has responded between treatments. Earlier in the case, flare-ups were more reactive and slower to calm. So now, even when new papules appear, they remain localized and don't escalate into widespread inflammation. This tells me we're no longer dealing with an uncomfortable inflammatory cycle, but a skin environment that can regulate itself more effectively. Post-inflammatory erythema has also shifted, with these areas continuing to fade, while deeper, more established erythema has remained stable rather than worsening. Products that were previously sensitizing are also now tolerated with little to no discomfort, allowing us to maintain consistency without barrier regression. Overall, at week 7, I would classify her acne as significantly less inflammatory, more controlled, and far more predictable. The skin is calmer, more resilient, and better equipped to heal lesions without spiraling into prolonged redness or irritation, allowing us to move confidently into this final week of our case study. Tune in next week where Jodi and I will sit down together and she'll have the opportunity to share her perspective.